In today's video I want to show you guys how you can change the audio settings on your Thomson TV, or what you can do if you have a volume problem or something else. Okay, for the first step we click on the settings button on our remote, so like this. Click on this button and here we have sound. So what we can do is sound preset. We can do this what we want, standard, movie, voice or something else. So and here we can go down and here we can do auto volume control off. So this is really important. Also make sure that you change your TV placement, and we can also go in the advanced settings, go all the way down, and here we can turn the speaker on. So this is really important. And then headphone, if you have no headphone connected, so make sure that you turn it off. And after that, make sure that your speaker has volume. So if I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. It would help me a lot. If not, write down in the comments, we will find a solution, and then see you next time.